Corporate Tax Freedom Day is the day of the year when Canadian corporations have finished paying their taxes for 2012, and this year it will be February the 1st. That is, Canadian corporations have finished paying all the taxes they're obliged to pay by February the 1st. This government, since 2006, has cut the corporate tax rate from 21% to 15%, and each one of those percentage points represents $2 billion in foregone revenue. So we've given up $12 billion in revenue since Mr. Harper's been the Prime Minister of our country, and we're now looking and facing a federal budget that says we're going to have to make huge sacrifices and cuts in order to balance our books, and at the same time they're reducing the taxes for corporations. Now, the theory is that these corporations would create jobs with these tax breaks. Well, that's not the case. They have paid higher dividends and more dividends since they've got these breaks, but Canadian corporations today are sitting on over $500 billion of cash in their bank accounts, and our unemployment rate continues to go up. This is unacceptable, we think. We think there's a better way for the Canadian government to do things, and the best way to do things right now would be for our government to take that money, if the corporations aren't going to use it to create jobs, and create jobs themselves with our aging infrastructure. Our research shows that for all of that money being spent instead on infrastructure programs would create 5 times as many jobs as Canadian corporations have created for us. And we need those jobs desperately now, and we need the services that the Canadian government is delivering at this point in time. So we want to observe Corporate Tax Freedom Day. We want to show graphically what the effect of this is. And for people who are, for institutions that are paying so little tax in this Canadian society, they have way too much say and influence in the outcome of our government.